Are you tired of searching Elementor's widgets for a simple icon box? Learn the exact click path to add and customize one in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through every click, starting with editing your home page, then selecting the icon box, and finally adjusting the icon, view, title, and highlight settings. Let's start by opening the home page with Elementor. Then click on Highlight to select it. Now, click on General. Then click on General again. After that, click on Icon Box. Then click on Icon Box again. And a third time, click on Icon Box. Next, click on Icon. Then click on View. And then click on Title. Finally, click on Highlight to finish. Thanks for watching and have fun with Elementor. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.